write a story about him
Yeah?
at school.
And what was it talking about?
It's because he's what I talking about. He was funny.
Yeah?
Then one time I push him with I kick him and he start to slide. But he take my boot with it, so I have to run like that. Dang, 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 dang. Hey, Andrew, give me my boot.
Yeah, little funny guy, eh?
And I'm have to copy on a white sheet at school.
Do you like your brother?
Yeah,
Yeah? You're happy to have a brother?
yeah.
What would you do without a brother?
But I already do it.
No, but would you like to be alone and not have a brother?
But no, because
No, eh?
when I was
Would you like to have a sister?
no. I would hate
Why?
because girls are
No.
yeah.
Yeah?
Girls are stupid.
No.
Yeah.
Who told you
At
that?
my school, that's right.
Yes? Hey, Andrew. You speak English?
English.
You speak English?
We
Hey, so tell me something. Do you understand?
understand.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. You gonna go to bed, Andrew? You gonna go to bed?
Good night.
You gonna take your bath?
Good night.
Yes? Are you gonna take your bed? Go to bed, I mean?
Good bed.
No? You like go to bed?
Qu'est-ce que à dire?
Aller faire dodo dans ton lit, si tu veux? Go to bed?
No.
No?
No.
Take your bath?
And look,
Prends ton bain?
he bring a book in his school bag. I found it.
Yes? What is it?
It's about
You have to do some
la
reading.
chambre messager.
Oh, no.
See it. O-N-R-Y. 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 Et pour ça, c'est mon bon quand j'allais à l'école. Yes.
Andrew, tu es allé à l'école aujourd'hui, Andrew? Andrew Germain,
Hein?
tu es allé à l'école?
Oui.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Je veux un bout d'assain.
Oui?
Oui, puis c'est un bonhomme au bonhomme.
Mais tu me l'as pas montré?
Bonhomme, il a dit, mais dans ma pochette.
Es-tu beau?
Non, dans non, c'est pas un bonhomme, il y avait des cheveux, c'était ma garderie.
J'espère que t'es pas drôle.
Oui.
J'espère que t'es pas un monstre. Non, j'espère que le monstre, ben.
Hey, Andrew Germain, mets pas ça dans l'eau. Oh.
Quoi?
Ben parce que, là, on va te le briser.
Oh.
On va te promener avec, là. Me. Deux. Ne va pas là-bas, il y a beaucoup d'autos, puis ils ne te voient pas. Tous les entends pas.